Look, can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, good morning. So, I hope everyone is done with Chrome and Firefox and Edge, right? Still, you are facing any problem? Anybody? Are you facing any problem to launching the browsers?
No, sir.
Good, good. Because that is very, very important. Launching the browser is first one, because without launching the browser, we cannot do anything. Okay. Just give me a 2 minutes. We will wait. And after that, we can start. So, who want to share the screen, guys? Anyone want to share your screen? Anybody? Anyone want to share your screen, guys?
Yes, sir. Can I?
Anyone? What's your name? Yeah, you can.
Kumar.
Kumar, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, share your screen. So, uh, uh, can anyone tell me what are the advantages and disadvantages in Selenium? Can anyone?
That Jason is not correct for me.
Anyone can tell me what are the advantages and disadvantages in Selenium?
Sir, Selenium is a open source. There is
Hmm.
no license. There is
Hmm.
no license cost for its use. So that it is a benefit to the company,
Hmm.
and it also support the many more language
Hmm.
like C
Hmm.
Sharp, Java, Python, Ruby, etc.
Hmm. Hmm.
And it's openly available in the market. And
Hmm.
its disadvantage is it is not support the mobile mobile application.
Hmm.
It is not support the mobile application.
Hmm. Good,
And
good, good. So keep on practice, okay? In interview, if they ask you what is the advantages and disadvantages, means you need to tell. Now, anyone tell me what is the key for Zico driver? What is the key? What is the key we use for Zico driver?
Driver.chico.drive. Webdriver.chico.drive.
Absolutely good. What is the key for a Chrome?
Webdriver.chrome.drive.
Yes, good. What is the key for Edge?
WebDriver.chrome.drive.
Yes, absolutely. What about Edge?
WebDriver.edge.
Uh,
WebDriver.edge.driver.
yes, absolutely good. So you know, right, how to download the path and value. What is system.setProperty? What is system.setProperty? So in this,
See the response.
you need to say that in system.setProperty we need to pass the key and value. What is the key means you need to tell the key and values. Okay, for every browser there is a key and value. Yeah, can you share your Eclipse? Okay, open that. Every day I will ask the question, guys. Interview
See the
question, like
position
you
of
need to answer it, okay? And the others, can you please put hold, like a mute, okay?
policies
Okay,
and
parallelly you
achievement.
can also try, guys. Yeah, Kumar, can you
Sir,
launch Chrome browser? Can you launch
sir,
Chrome browser?
I have a doubt
I
that
think so.
sir, it's it's mentioned that a browser specific driver,
Yes, the Chrome driver,
Selenium.
Firefox driver, Gecko driver, and IE driver will be there, right? Where you are
Yes.
downloading all the things from their given, right? So from that you need to download.
Okay.
How you are getting new Chrome driver? We are importing, right? Yesterday also we discussed import
That
org.selenium
should be JSON
Chrome
responsive.
driver.
There
Okay.
is not a JSON result.
Okay, guys. Today's topic is very, very important. Very, very important.
Yeah, that
Command.
JSON
There are
response
few
is
commands.
mentioned very
Guys
clear.
who are not
That
talking,
should be
please put
JSON
your mute.
result. That is the problem.
Okay. So browser
Yeah,
commands, guys. There are few commands will be there.
The line number
So already
33.
we did get
Here
command.
JSON
Get is
response is
command is
there.
what? To call the
Where
URL.
JSON
The
result.
get command is used to open a new browser. Open a new browser and it will get and receive the page you provide. What page you are providing here? www dot what page you are providing here? Will you just
Selenium.dev.
yes,
Command.
that page should be displayed. Get command is
Yes.
very, 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 very important. Okay. Next command, very, very
Right.
important. Get title. Okay. So do one thing. Open your
Scroll down.
this one.
Scroll down.
Close this one. Close this one. Close this one. Yeah. Write a comment. Comment, you know, right? Double slash. Driver dot get come. Click enter there. Click enter there. Put a comment. Always make sure that you need to write a comments without no, this side, this side. Okay, right. Yeah. Right. Comment is what? First command is what? Get command we already done, right? Get title,
Yes.
right? Get title. This is very, very important, guys. We need to verify the title because whether this site is valid one or not. How you verify it? Get title. So get title is what? This command is used to get the title of current page. It does not allow any parameters and any return type in the string. Okay. Get title. Get title is very, very important. Okay. Now how you need to check whether this site is valid or not? Get title. Yeah. Come down.
Sir,
Get
sir,
title. Title.
Sir,
Write a title
sir,
name.
your voice is not audible. There is some background
Yeah,
noise.
yeah. It's not from my
sir,
end here. That is our.
Too much noise is there, please.
Yes, yes, yes. I can understand. I think, is anyone want to share the screen? Anyone? Guys, anyone want to share the screen?
If anyone can send the screen, please share it.
Yes.
Hmm. Why you are worrying here? I'm not able to understand sharing the screen. Okay. Anyone want to share the screen? Last call.
Sir, I'm using
Anybody?
phone. That's why I'm.
That's the phone is a little bit difficult. Okay. You want to do from my system, I can do, but it's no, it's a. I always did all the things right, so there is no use. That's the reason I'm giving opportunity to you. Okay.
Hello, sir. I
Yeah,
want
yeah.
to share the screen.
Good, good, good. What is your name?
Yeah.
Sonali.
Okay, yeah, good, good, good. Guys, you need to share the screen, guys, always. I'm not understanding why you are squaring and all the things. Okay, good. Share your screen. You know, right, how to share the screen? Good, good. Right, come down.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Yes, yes, good. Write a comment. Write a comment there. You are using Firefox. Better you can use Chrome driver. Chrome is very fast. So go to the Chrome driver. Oh, you are learning Java, good. Java, okay, good. Chrome driver, use Chrome driver first one. Double click there. Yes, good. Write a comment there. Come down. Yeah, come down. Yeah. First, get title. Get title. So this is very, very important, guys. They will ask you how you validate. They won't ask what is get title. Everyone will tell you. In interview question, what they will ask you, how you validate your application. How you validate. How you validate? By using of get title. Right? Get title. Okay. Simple, guys. Get title. Driver dot get title. Get title. See, you are getting right after get page source. After that, get title.
Hello.
Can you hear me? Yeah, good.
Yes, sir.
No, driver dot get title. Remove the system dot this one. We will write next line that.
Sir, actually, I wrote it.
Okay, good, good. Now see, most of the people are thinking that get title will came, but it won't print, right? If I want to print, what I need to
Yes, sir.
write, guys? Anybody? What I need to do here? We need to write.
System.out.println.
Yes, absolutely. Most of the people they're by hearting. Don't by heart. Driver dot get title means title will come, but it won't print. It won't print anything. In that case, what we need to do? We need to write what? System dot println and pass this one. Driver dot get title. Yeah, good. In the inside, you need to pass driver dot. Yeah, good. See your code, see how she is writing very systematically, a line to line, how it is. You need to write the code like that. Okay, one line left side, one line right side, one line middle. If you write like that, the impression will be gone. Okay, okay, Control S, run it. Okay, are you running right? Yeah, run as Java application.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, good. Don't call sir, call me with the name Srini or anything. Good. See, welcome to Java you written. Are you sure? Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay, it is running. For next year also, for this year also, for we need to work remotely only. See, all the opportunities we are getting remote work only. Okay, so you need to share your screen, talk to your leads and managers. You need to share. Yeah,
This is title
Selenium
of this page.
HQ. Yeah, browse.
Yes,
Open your
browser
website.
information.
Yes, open your website, original website. Cross check
Yeah.
whether your title is getting correct or not.
Yeah.
Title
it's
C.
current.
What is
Yeah,
that?
just
Selenium HQ. Yes, it is valid. See, interview question, guys. Freshers. How you validate this site is correct or not? Whether how you validate. So you can write actual result and expected result. You can do that one. Later we can see how we write in the real code. But general practicing purpose, this is enough. Okay. Driver dot get is one command. Driver dot get title. Don't say in interview driver dot get. You need to say get title. You need to tell in interview like that. Don't say driver is you are creating an object, right? You do not say like that. Okay, you simply what are the browser commands means get title. You need to say like that. Okay, come down. Good. Second command is what we can write get text. We will see get current URL, right? Can you write get current URL? So sometimes we need to validate the URLs. That is very, very important. HTTP or HTTPS. There are a lot of difference between HTTP and HTTPS. Okay. We need to check whether the domain name is getting correctly or not. We need to check. Okay. That in that purpose we can use what get current URL. The similar way you can write system.println driver dot get current URL. Get current URL. Okay, what is your output, guys? Anyone can expect what is your output? What is your output? Can anyone?
Yeah,
Current
this is
you
sir.
That one, the HTTP. Yeah, run it. Once we run it, we'll see. Run it. Run as a Java application. Interview question, guys. Definitely they will ask you, can you, fresher level means definitely they will ask you, can you explain what are the browser commands? Many commands will, but we are taking more familiar, which is always regularly what we are used. That commands we are discussing here. What is
Yes,
your
sir, this is up.
output? Yeah, HTTPS. So interview, they will ask you how you validate your URL, how you validate the website. So you can tell them, I will always validate with the URL getting correctly or not. I will always validate like browser title is getting correctly or not. Okay, this is what you need to, if you're going with experience level, you need to explain them how you automate your website. The previous experience is what? Don't say I already learned this in Stoat, I'm using this command. You need to explain them how you use this one, how you use this command. So I always validate whether the site is getting correct or not, title is getting correctly or not. I will always validate the domain is correct or not. I will always validate. Okay, HTTPS secured site www.selenium.dev. What are the command, guys? Get command, get title, get current URL. So far what we learned, 3 commands. Do not by heart. Simply you can understand. If you understand, tomorrow in case suddenly any interview will come, you can easily answer it. Do not by heart. Try to understand. Get means you can calling the URL. Get title. We are verifying the title. Get current URL. Current URL means which site you are accessing. That we can easily check. Okay. Come down. Next command. Okay. Get page source. What is get page source? You know what is a page source? See, open your website. Okay, write the page source. Comments you need to write, guys. Comments is very important. Yeah, open the original site. Sonali, open. This is the original site. No, it's not original site. This is Chrome is executed, right? Open the original site. Always you need to open the original site. Okay, close this. See, Chrome is controlled by automated the test, so you need to recognize easily which one is original site and which one is opened by Chrome driver. You can easily identify. Yeah. So this is original site. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Click on here. Anywhere you can click right click view any place. Right click. Uh, See view page source. Can you click view page source? Yeah. Good. Control view. Okay. So this one I want to read from the website how we need to read all these things. Okay, it's still loading. Okay. Yeah, I won't read all this content. Okay, for just verification. Okay, so in that case also we can use one command. What is that? Get page source. Okay, can you go to the Eclipse? Can you go to the Eclipse? Can you write get page source driver dot get page source. Easy, guys, easily we can learn all the things. If you by heart, if you copy and the paste into your system, it won't work. Try to understand the command, practice. Try to understand the command, practice. That's code is available in the Google, everywhere is available, but how you are understanding is very important. No need to join these classes also if you are understand properly on that by practicing, but tricks is very important. In real time how we will work, that is very important. Run as Java application.
Yes, sir.
More confidence is required from you. They will check your confidence level only. In interview, they will check your confidence level. If you are in practice well, you will very strongly you will tell. If you are not practice, your voice is very low. You will not able to answer that question. Check the concept. See,
This is page source.
yeah, printed, right? So that is what we required. See, one thing remember, we are not use all the commands at a time. Whenever the requirement will come, based on that, we are using that particular command. See, get title is required now. I use that get title command. Now I want to I want to verify the page view source. So in that case, I can use. But do not think that for every program we use all the commands means no. Based on the requirement, in the requirement they will say that check the current URL. So you know, right command. Simply you can write driver dot get current URL. So you need to use that command. Okay. So far what we learned, get title, current URL, page view source. Okay. So always practice from the starting onwards what we learned. Okay. And one more interview question is very, very important. One more, no doubt at all. Definitely they will ask you this question. You can please note on notepad also. What is the difference between close and quit? Okay, now I want to see the browser is not closing, right? After executing, your browser is not closing. See, is browser is still is open only, right? If you see it down below, the browser is still is open. So now I want to close the browser. So I want to close the browser. So what command I need to use? Simply you can write driver dot close. Close browser means the current page will be having a focus. Current page, what http selenium dev.org, right? That page will be closed. Okay. Can you write the command close?
Yes, sir.
100% interview question. What is the difference between close and quit? We'll see. Next command is the quit. Okay. Yeah. Can you run now? Control S and run now. Make sure that your charger will be there. Laptop charger is fine. Or plug in.
Yeah, it
See,
closes
it's
automatically.
gone, right? It's gone. So it's gone. So do you observe, right? In the down below, the browser is invoked, and after that, it is automatically closed. So you once you're done with your program, you need to write a driver dot close. Close is very, very, very important. Can you comment this code driver dot close? Can you comment that code? Comment. Yes, good. Come down. One more command is what? Quit. What is the difference between close and quit? Okay, so quit is means this method closes all the windows opened by the web driver. It automatically close all open windows and eliminate the browser. Interview question: how you eliminate the browser? Don't, they will not ask how to close the window, how to close the browser. They will ask how you eliminate the browser. So you simply you can write either you can use driver dot close, or either if multiple windows will be there, multiple URLs will be there, then I can use driver dot quit. Okay, can you run this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Run and okay. What are the browser command, guys? Anyone? What are the browser commands? Anyone? Speak out, guys. Speak. You need to speak. You need to talk. What are the browser commands?
Get command, get
Hmm,
title,
hmm,
current,
Get.
hmm, hmm. Current URL. Current
current
URL.
URL,
Yeah.
page source,
Close. Page source. Close
page source,
and
close and
quit.
quit, quit.
Yes. Yes.
Sir,
Yes. That's
I told you, but I cannot understand what is the uses of why I am reading the browser command.
sorry.
Sir, I
Browser
told you,
command
but
means.
Yes, sir. Browser command means what and why I am reading this? What is the
Why
uses
are
of
you reading? That is what I'm
what is
telling
the
you, right? I
use?
told you, right? They will ask, your lead will ask you, I want to check get title is getting correctly or not. How you will check? How you automate that? Your lead will ask you, your lead will ask you how you check the title. The title you are checking manually, right? In automation, how you will check? So you need to
Title
use the
matlab?
command.
Sir, title matlab? Title means?
Title means, Sonali, can you open the website?
That one.
Yeah, in the
Yeah, that
top,
one.
that is what title that we can call title. Can you, Sonali, can you come down and open the main site? Can you open the main site, original site? Right click, page view source. Go to the title, check the title. Right click, view page. Right click, view page source.
Yeah, this is the page.
Yeah, okay. Check in the title. Control F. Control F. Title. Just put title. Just write 2 lines. Title. Oh, too many are big lines. Title. Okay.
Yeah, this is the
What is the
title.
title? See. Now tell me how you will how you automate this one. How you will check that one. Are you understanding?
Yeah.
Is it
No,
clear?
no. No, sir, I am not getting.
Okay.
Title.
You can call me after the class. I will explain you from the basic onwards. See, in every HTML website, they will provide the title. Without the title, the page will not be there. So developer will return the title. That title we need to verify. How you verify that one? Manually means you need to open that website and you need to check whether the title is getting or not. In the requirement document, they will clearly mention the title should be this one. In automation, how I need to automate, how I need to verify that one, how I need to validate that one. So in automation, they provide some basic default commands. Driver dot get title. If based on get title, we can verify the page title. Still, you are not understand?
Yes. Yes, I
No,
understand.
no, no. Tell me.
Little bit.
See,
Sir,
say.
little bit.
What is your background? Like, what is your like? Sorry for asking this one. Just generally, I'm asking. That's very. What is your background? Like BTech or MTech or what is your higher studies like? No?
Sir,
What
MTech.
is MTech, right? MTech, right? Oh, good, good. So, which stream that one? Computer science
Yeah, sir,
or
computer science. Yes, yes,
computer
yes,
science?
yes,
Only?
yes, yes,
Okay, okay, good, good.
yes,
Okay, so you need to aware of all these things, right? What is the title of the page and what is the HTML
yes,
body,
sir, yes,
div,
sir. Got it,
PR,
got it.
PD. Okay, okay. I'm not
Yes, sir,
commenting,
got
guys.
it, got it.
I'm just I want to understand you also. That's the reason I'm asking. I'm not commenting you. So that is what title. Okay. If you want,
Sir,
you can stay back
I
after the
have,
class. I can explain more. Okay.
yes, yes, sir. I have read it, but I cannot recall it.
No, that is what you need to read 2 or 3 times. What is driver dot get title and check the output, what output you are getting. Then you need to analyze what is happening there. Understanding, right? So first try from your end. After that, you can ask the questions, okay? Because you are directly asking the things means you cannot understand what is happening there. So that's the reason I'm asking to do practice. So here I'm explaining right what is the title, and we are getting the output also, right? So check that from your system. Still you are not able to execute, then you can stop me and you can ask me and I can explain you. Okay. Still after that also you're not able to understand, just give me a ping after the class. After the completion of the class, I can take you the class. Okay, no
Yes.
problem. Okay, yeah. Thank you for asking. Okay, good. So what are the command, guys? Get, and what is the next command? Get current URL. See, this is very easily you can understand. Get current URL. What is the current URL? HTTPS. We got output, right? So if you want to check output from automation, what we need to do? You need to write get current URL. Okay. Next one, what we need to use? Get page view source. If you want to see the page view source manually, we right now we will check manually, right? We're going and website and right click page view source, and we are checking title. But in automation, how you will check that one? So you need to use this command what is the command? Get page source. You can go on there and right click and view the page source. Okay, close means what? The browser will be closed. Current browser. Okay, the close means what? The current browser will be closed. See, she write the comment, right? Quit means what? All the closes all the open windows. Simple. Okay, so these are the browser commands. Okay, next one, there are another command. See, this one, that definitely they will ask you. Okay, can you comment, Sonali, can you comment driver.quit, because the browser will be closed, right? Okay, now see, can you run this defaultly whenever you launch the browser, right? Default window is coming. We are not getting a full size window, right? Can you execute one more time this program? If you observe the screen means, when you run this one,
Yes, sir.
you are not getting full screen, right? You are not getting the full
Yes,
screen. Yeah, so I want get full screen. Okay, see, half of the screen only you are getting. You are not getting the full screen. Okay, it is not maximizing. It is not maximizing. So they provide one command. So can you write that command? Driver dot. So interview question, guys. Definitely they will ask you how you maximize the window. Driver dot manage dot okay, manage control space. Okay, manage control space, use control space automatically. Yeah, manage dot can you remove and write again one more time? Otherwise, manage is the method. Okay, dot manage. See, top you come, right, selected that one. Select manage dot window dot maximize. See, I'm talking with my browser. Hey, do like this. Manage window dot maximize. What is the meaning of maximize? Maximize means what? It will come bigger one. Okay, maximize the screen. Okay, but defaultly the window will come off of the screen. Okay, it won't come big screen, right? Big size. So in that case, what command we need to use? Driver dot manage dot windows dot maximize. Maximize means you need to maximize the screen. Yeah, can you do now? Can you execute that one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So maximum, see, off the window will come, right, execution, but once it is executed, the window will be maximized. See, maximize. Observe the window. See,
Yeah.
maximize.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, this is very, very important. Generally, we use maximize, and every time we need to write this command: driver dot manage dot windows dot maximize. So maximize means what? You need to maximize the screen. So this is very, very important in the real time. This is very, very important. We need to use this command regularly, because off of the screen we never do that one. So we always use maximize the screen. So interview also, they expect you, can you tell me how you maximize the windows? So you can tell them simply manage dot window dot maximize. So you need to tell that. Okay, so this is very, very important. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Now I want to minimize. How? That is also very, very important interview question. How you minimize? Maximize means simply I write a command, but how I need to minimize? So minimize is what? Think manually. Think manually. Don't think automation first. First think manually. After that you need to think automation. How you maximizing means you are clicking that maximize button, the window is maximizing. Okay, but how you minimize?
Yes,
So
sir.
I need to tell that position, set position. I need to tell the set position. So you need to write okay, driver dot, yeah, driver dot manage dot, yeah, take the manage dot windows dot set position. I need to tell that position, otherwise the browser will not understand where to I need to maximize. Yeah, without tell that, it won't be maximized, right? So you need to maximize that one. So you need to set the position. Okay, write a new point, new, inside write a new, NEW, yeah, small one, small one. Control space, yeah, new, control space, give the space, control space, new. Okay, so little bit give the space and point, write a point, point, yeah, see, point right, PO, yeah, right, control space, use control space, automatically it will come, control space. No, just remove that point, again write 2 lines and control space, use control space. Control space, write 2 lines, PO, IN, see, select the first one. Now see, it is asking, hey, set position. Tell me where I need to set the position, where I need to maximize your browser. You need to tell, otherwise it won't understand. So you need to tell that it's 0 to -1000. Okay. So X coordinates, Y coordinates will be there. Okay. So from the 0, take the 0. From X is 0. From X is 0 and Y. So up to -1000. Okay. Up to -1000. You can change any number. Okay, after the class you can try, you can play how it will be work.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, but because we cannot tell all the things, right? After the class you can, but try to understand what is this one. Maximize is very easy. Just write a one command, manage dot windows dot maximize. Maximize means what? Simply if I click maximize button, it will be maximized. In automation also we write manage dot windows dot maximize. But minimize, that's the reason interview this question they will ask you, what is minimize, how you minimize the browser according to your requirement. So you need to put the set position. Set position is very important here. So manage dot window dot set position at new point 0. You can give any access like y and x coordinates. Okay, you can play, you can change the values and you can play. Okay, now you run this one. Yeah. It's maximize. Now it minimizing, right? Too much it is minimizing. Can you change 700, 750? Oh, can you okay. Do like 750 or 950, 950. We just put like that. 950, 970, any value. Okay, let's try this one. So try that in, don't worry, in the real time they will tell you what is the set position and all the things. You need to check whether it is exactly it is setting or not. You need to check. Okay, open that window. It's closing. The window is closing. No, right? Okay, give 750 or 850. 750. Close that all. 750 you give. It will come very small. Okay.
Yes, it should be
Yeah, yeah.
safe.
Okay. Please -10 is some guy is saying why is -10. Try with that one. Good. We'll see.
Okay, sir.
Wait. Let it run. Let it run. Let it run. That's good. See, that is what
No, sir.
for teamwork. Okay, -10 is someone is saying that why -10. Yeah. So are you getting -10 with that? Pawan, right? What is your name? Yeah, good. Runners. That is what teamwork. See, one person is trying means other persons will help out in. Hey, can you try this one? Hey, can you
Yes,
try
sir.
this one? That is what teamwork. Good. So like this, we need to check. But interview question, guys, 100% no doubt at all. If you are going with the fresher level, they will ask you. They will ask you what they will ask. Definitely, they will ask you minimize how to minimize the browser, or else they will ask you what are the commands. Can you explain what are the commands? So you can very clearly you can explain get title, get current URL, get page view source, and maximize and minimize and close and quit. Do not speedily tell in the interview. Take your time. Means time means tell in very professional way. Okay, don't jump. Okay, if someone is asked you, can you tell in the comment means get title, get URL. Don't say like that. Okay, take your time neatly, and you need to explain. Really, you are working on that area. You need to explain like that. Okay, we are using generally the commands like get title and get page view source and get current URL get current URL, page view source, get page view source, and we mostly use the get close, close and quit. We generally every time we use maximize the windows like windows dot manage dot windows dot maximize. So you need to tell like that. That is the way you need to answer in the interview. Okay, there are 5 types, there are 6 types, there are 7 types. Don't say like that in the interview. Don't say the count. Okay, you need to tell them. Generally we use the browsers like mostly we use get title to validate the application, and get current URL to validate the domain is getting correctly or not. So maximize the windows and quit when close. Okay, tell like that in the interview. Okay, so these are very, very important, guys. There are many commands will be there, and the coming sessions we will work out more and more and more. Okay. So this is fine. Can you quickly create one more class? Yeah.
Sir,
Any
I
questions
am
so
not,
far?
sir, I have doubt some
Yeah.
minimize the window here. Here manage dot window dot set position. Set
Hmm.
position is a method. Within
Hmm.
the method, new point. What is
Hmm.
the function? New point 0 minus 10.
Hmm.
0 to minus
So
10.
you need to tell them right to browser. You need to where I need to see maximize means you can simply if you click in manually, if you click means it will be maximized. Now you need to tell to your browser. See, you are talking with your browser. So where I need to maximize from up to what level I need to maximize. So you need to write set a new position, x coordinates and y coordinates. Okay. So here I'm telling that x is 0 and up to minus 10 you need to maximize that window. So it will measure up to minus 10, the window will be maximized. Is it clear?
Yes, yes. Sir, new is
Yeah.
a keyword here.
Yes, yes. Okay, is it clear? Did you try in your system? It is working?
Yes, yes.
Okay, see, if you have these questions, new is a keyword or a method or a string, just Google it.
Yes,
Understanding, right? Just you
yes, yes.
open the Google and the left side, you will get more information. Okay, I told you
Yes,
selenium.dev site. Whenever you have any questions or anything related, you want to deep drive in that area. Deep drive means what? You want to learn more and more and more, and that part I cannot explain x coordinate, y coordinate. It will take long, lengthy time. The other people
yes,
is also has the class, right? So what we
yes,
can do is, if you have any question, put it Google in the left side, open another window and write what is set position and what is x coordinate and y coordinate. First read that one. First read the 2 or 3 lines. You are understand the basic things. Then execute program in your local. Still you are not understand, then let me know. Okay. We will discuss. Okay. Is it clear?
yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good. Good. Thank you. Okay, so there are other commands, guys. This is also very, very important interview question. What are the Navigation command, this is very, very important. Navigation, you know, right? What is the navigation commands? We are back, move. So sometimes how you refresh your website, just manually you are clicking refresh, right? But in automation, how you will do? So that is very, very important. Yeah. Sonali, can you write a navigation commands? Navigate commands, otherwise anything. Okay, navigate commands. So they will ask an interview question. I want to, after the browser invoke, I want to execute 2 URLs at a time. Like at a time means one URL is there. Amazon site will be there, I mean, but I want to view other site also parallelly. So in that case, what you will use? Otherwise, there is another interview question. I don't want to use get to call the URL. Is there any other command will be there? Yes, there is another command is also there to open the URL. Navigate to interview question. I don't want to use get title. I want to use another URL, another way to call the URL. So in that case, we can use navigate to. Yeah, copy the 3 lines and paste it here. We'll see the commands, the navigate commands. Yeah, open that. Go to the top. Paste. Yeah, good. Now comment, write a comment, navigate comments. Yeah. Right, the first command we can write navigate to. What is this command? This command that likes get command, but able to redirect. I'm able to redirect from one website to the other website. How you will redirect from the current web page to the expected web page? So currently in which page you are in Selenium WebDriver, right? Suppose you want to from this page, this URL to you want to go for Amazon, you can use that navigate to. Can you write command navigate to? Yeah, come down. Yeah, write the command driver dot navigate to www.google.com, any site. Now I want to from this site to another site I want to go. No. Sonali, you need to write navigate dot to. In the to you need to pass the URL. Yeah, that's right. Sorry. Driver dot navigate to pass the URL. In that argument 0, right? You need to pass the URL. You pass any URL.
Yes,
Open
sir.
that Google and pass that URL, any URL. So interview question, I want they will ask technically. They won't ask browser command. Tell me navigate command. They won't ask you. Like in this situation, how you handle it. In this situation, how you handle it. So the situation wise, the task wise, they will ask you. Based on that, you need to work. Okay. Now suddenly I want to refer the states. I want to go to that states website. So how I need to do? I cannot stop my automation, right? So in that case, I can go to respective site. Again, I will back and again I will be automate the things. Okay. Amazon.in. So based on the understanding the requirements, you need to do the automation, guys. Okay. Copy that line. Yeah. See now what is your output? First it will be invoke browser. After that it will open the selenium.dev. After that it will directly navigate to where? http.amazon.in. Okay, can you run this one now? Run as Java application. See how you are getting. So I'm not writing get command again. Get I'm not using that one. I'm using what navigate to. So in the interview purpose, they will ask you how you navigate one URL to the other URL. Means you need to say that I will navigate. I will use the navigate command. Okay. Now you are in Amazon site, right? Again, you want to go back to where? Selenium site. Like now, what you need to do? Back is enabled, right? Back button is enabled. You will see in the top. Yeah. Now you can write a driver dot.
Yes.
Yeah. Understanding, right? Concept. So driver dot. What you need to write? Driver dot navigate back. So you are in Amazon site. Now you want to go to your, again, you want to go back your original site. Okay. Selenium site. Okay. In that case, what we can use navigate dot back. Yeah. Control S, run it. This. Very easy, guys. Very, very easy. Easily you can learn. People are thinking it's very tough, and then, but you need to learn systematically. Don't jump. People are writing one day code, they jump and copy the code in other areas and pasting. No, don't do that one. Systematically we need to come. We know how to launch the browser. We know how to, what are the keys for all the browsers. We know what is the value. Now we know what are the browser commands. Now we know what are the navigate commands. That's enough. Slowly we can go with all the topics. Slowly we can go. See, Amazon, again I'm going back. Back is enabled. Make sure that it should be enabled. Back arrow mark. Okay, Amazon site. Again I want to go back. I did some code here. My code is done. Then again I want to go back to see.
Yes.
How interesting. That's the reason people are crazy about automation. Not only Selenium. So without manual, see manually how we need to do, open the Amazon site, open the Selenium, again navigate, open the tab, again you need to enter www.amazon.in, and enter the click, again you do some action, again you need to click. I'm not doing anything. I'm just writing the commands and I'm just handling with the script, entire the thing. They will provide the script, they will provide the requirement. Based on the requirement, I'm writing the single script, easy script. Okay, no need to buy hard and no need to mug up and all the things, but understand the concept, where we need to navigate, where you need to come back and forward. Okay, let's see, can you open the I mean where you are in currently, in back to Selenium site, right? Yeah, open your Selenium site. Now see, the forward button is enabled, so you can use forward. Again, can you write the command forward? Forward means what? It will open Selenium first. After it will navigate to Amazon. Again it will back to Selenium. Again it will back to Amazon. Yeah. Can you write driver dot navigate forward? Very easy, guys. Very easy. Forward. Now what is your output? First Selenium. Next it will navigate to the Amazon. Next it will back to the Selenium. Again it will comes to the Amazon side. Yeah. Can you write now? Can you execute now? Yeah. Control S. If you spend in a 5 to 10 minutes, that's enough. Not much more than that. Per a day, at least you need to spend 15 to 20 minutes. Then you are become experts. So, Selenium.dev. So I will give you one example. Okay, in interview they will give you, I want to navigate here and I want to back. So you need to, based on your task, you need to execute your code. Okay. Amazon. Again I will back to Selenium because you write navigate back, right? So again it will back to again it will back move forward to see how it is working. How what you write the script, that will it will be executed, nothing else. You need to talk with your browser. Hey, do like this. Hey, do like this. Hey, do like this. You need to talk. So you need to provide each and every action on your script. Now refresh. What is the refresh? Comes up. Put the comment refresh. Refresh. Using the refresh, the command, the current page only it will refresh. Don't think that all the pages will be refreshed. Okay. What is the current page? Amazon. Yeah. Navigate or refresh. Navigate. Dot refresh. See how it is using it. Dot refresh. Yeah. Can you now control S and run it? What are the browser commands and what are the navigate commands? In interview, in case they ask you, you show your talent now. You know, right, how to launch the browser and all the things. Yes, give, I will ready to write the code. So that is what your confidence level. When it will come, once you practice all the things. Without practice, you don't know anything. You cannot answer in the interview. You cannot able to answer in the interview. So practice is required. Okay, it's still, yeah, lagging will be there. Internet lagging will be there. You're continuously seeing that the same URL. Yeah, refresh. Oh, Selenium again, it will come to.
Amazon. Yeah, here it is.
Yeah.
Refresh.
Very, got it right. So can anyone tell me what are the browser commands, guys? Anyone without saying, tell me what are the browser commands? Anybody? Anybody?
Get,
Hmm.
then get URL,
Hmm.
get source,
Hmm.
close,
Get title.
quit,
Hmm.
get
So then
title.
click.
Get page source. Get URL.
Because guys, get URL, yeah, get current URL, yeah.
Yeah, get URL.
So close
Page
and quit.
source.
What is the differences between close and quit? Anybody?
Navigate.
In close, we close the current
Which?
Window.
Browser.
page,
Yeah, current browser.
current,
Yeah.
or in quit, we will close
Quit
the
means
entire
all browser.
entire.
No. See, that is what that's sentence formation you need to make sure. Okay, that's good. Good try. Good try. See, close means current window will be closed. Now, see, we are opening 3 or 4 browsers, right? We are Selenium, WebDriver, Selenium, and we are opening Amazon sites and all the things, right? If you write quit means everything will be closed. Okay, so what is the close means the current window will be closed, which means the browser will open Amazon, Selenium, and all the things, right? All will be closed. Okay, so interview question definitely they will ask you what is the difference between close and quit. Okay, close means the current window will be closed. Quit means like still the based on the web driver you are opening other windows also, right? That all windows will be close and quit. Okay, and another is what minimize and maximize. So minimize is very important, guys, and maximize is also very important. Can anyone tell me what is the maximize command? What is the maximize command? Maximize dot
Maximize windows dot
maximize. Manage
manage
dot
dot
windows dot
window dot maximize.
maximize. You need to remember that one. Okay, that is very important. Minimize means what? Manage dot
Manage
windows
dot
dot
window dot
set point.
set
Set
poses.
Set point, new
Set
the
poses.
point,
set
x
position.
coordinate and y coordinate. So you can give anywhere. What are the navigation commands? Can anyone tell me what are the navigation commands?
Navigate, navigate dot to.
Huh.
Navigate dot to, navigate dot forward,
Hmm.
Then we provide URL and
navigate
parameter.
dot back,
Hmm.
navigate dot
Dot
refresh.
Not
Dot
refresh.
That's good.
CSCP line you need to comment here.
Understanding, right? So make your confidence level, guys. Don't worry. Immediately it won't come. Immediately you cannot able to answer this one. That's good try. Good try. Every day I will ask the questions. Every day I will ask the questions. Don't worry about that. Interview point of view. See, it's based on your. I pay the money. Did I got the job? Means there is no answer for me for that one. After learning this course, I will get a job. I don't have any answer for that. It depends purely on you. How much you are practicing, how much you are taking that subject from your things, that is very, very important. You learn manual, you learn automation. The first question, can you introduce yourself? Tell me about yourself means you are not able to speak. Then you will get a job? No, right? So you need to practice in all the areas. You need to practice in all the areas. Strong. You need to put a goal at any cost. The next month, like this month is already gone, right? April. You need to put a goal. March at any cost. I will get into the job. You cannot get immediately April. You cannot put a dream like tomorrow I will get a job. Means, that's if God grace, if luck and all the things depend. But you need to put a goal. May or June at any cost. June I need to play. So if you put like a goal, manual is completed successfully. We know Agile well, we know Jira well. Jira, we know how to add the product backlogs, we write the test cases. You are very strong in manual, and also you are very strong in automation part, and also you are strong in core Java part, basic level, and SQL part. That's enough to crack the interview. But goal will be there. Without put a goal, target date. If you are not put a target date, you cannot achieve this. Put a goal at any cost. June I need to place into the industry, like the software industry. After June also you're not getting the job, just leave this subject, go to any other subject. So which you are interested, more interested in that area, you can. Because 5 years only I'm learning this, still I'm not getting, means there is a problem. There is a problem. Need to check what is the wrong with me, why I'm not cracking the interview, where I'm lacking, think about yourself, question yourself, then automatically you will get the thing. Okay, don't compare with others. If you compare with others, he got a job, uh, I will get a job, means I need to question myself. Understanding, right? So whether how strong I am to face the interview. Okay, so communication is very, very important. I ask you to speak, share the screen, discuss. No one will not be speaking, right? You need to speak, guys. You need to talk, because in the real time, now remotely you need to work, means you need to share the screen, you need to talk, you need to discuss. These all are very, very, very important. Communication, coordination is very, very important. Mainly coordination. Okay, so this is all things you need to learn. This is what real time. Only if I tell the code and you are writing the notes and you are executing the notes, means I can also finish the automation classes within 20 days only. In my laptop, all code will be there. Why I'm giving the chance to you guys to share the screen, and you people are writing and you are executing, so you will get a confidence. Once you get a confidence, right, your voice will be changed. Now see how you're telling. I'm asking, can anyone tell me what is the key for this? Your sound was too strong. You're telling, right, WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. How your sound is getting too strong? Because you know that concept. If you don't know that concept, you will sit quiet and you will say WebDriver and thinking, yeah, but you already practiced, right? So if anyone asks you what is the key for a G code driver, you simply say that WebDriver.G code.driver. What is the key for edge? WebDriver.edge.driver. Because I already did practice. Can you write the code? Yes, I can write a code. Can you give me the like page or anything? Yeah. Can you write like import org dot openqa dot selenium dot WebDriver. WebDriver is required. That's the reason I'm writing the reference, and open import org dot openqa selenium dot chrome driver. Yes, public static void main string arguments You need to write inside the class main is very, very important to execute the Java code. That's the reason I'm using public static void main. Inside I'm writing system.set property. I'm passing the key and value. For every browser there is a specific key. So that's the reason I'm using the key here. Webdriver.chrome.driver, and the value is nothing but we need to download that browser into the respect to the site, and I need to keep in local that path I need to provide. And after that I need to create an object for driver, driver equals to new Chrome driver. I'm creating the object for the new Chrome driver. WebDriver is the interface. Okay. Now driver dot get. See how you are explaining in the interview. Then other person knows that, oh, you are having good stuff. You have a good knowledge. Understanding that the way your presentation is very, very important. The way your explanation is very, very important. The way you are telling the definition is also very, very important. Nowadays, no one will looking the definition. You are reading the interview. Some people are asking, give me interview questions. You want, I have 300 interview questions. You want, share your email ID, I will send it. But there is no use that. What you take that 300 interview questions without doing practice, without knowing of the things. Understanding, right? So day by day, every day we are going with topic wise interview questions we will discuss, and we will execute all the things, make you be strong in that area. In interview also you can easily answer. Okay, thank you guys. We'll see you on Monday. Make sure that I ask you documentation. Make sure that everyone should make a document what you've done so far. Make a document. Okay, I will ask you on Monday. Okay. Still, Rajat, you ask still questions? Are you able
Sir.
to understand?
Yes, sir. Little bit
Okay,
understand, but I have to
okay,
practice,
no problem.
and
Okay, no problem.
will
Yeah,
inform
you
you
have
in
my
one
mail
more.
ID, right? Okay, good. You have my mail ID, right? If you have still the problem, let me know. We can work out. Okay, you and me, we can log in and we can work out. Okay. Thank you, guys. We'll see you
Hello,
on
sir.
Monday. Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, is there any difference to use Firefox driver or Edge driver?
That is completely different, right? There is a Firefox. Say Firefox will be open on Firefox driver, right? Edge is different one, right? Can you open in manually Edge Chrome driver, Edge driver? Can you open manually down below? Come to the Google and open the Edge Chrome. You have Edge Chrome, right? You have Edge
No,
Chrome, right?
sir. I have
No,
only two browsers.
no. I think you are
In
down
between
below.
Firefox and
Will be there,
Chrome.
right? Edge Chrome will be there, right?
In between Firefox and Chrome.
Yeah, in between the Firefox. Yeah, in your system, see down below.
Down below panel.
Yeah, sir.
See, yeah, you have, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
you
Got
can
it.
download.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. I got it. Okay,
Yes.
good. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Take your time and practice well. Okay, practice
Yes,
well
sir.
2 or 3 times, because nowadays what will happen, they will give the system
Yes.
to write a code. So once you practice all the things, right, tomorrow if anyone asks you write a code, means you can easily write the code. Okay, guys. Happy weekend. Monday is Holy, right? Are you guys available on that
Yes,
day?
sir.
Yes.
Everyone
Only
is available, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm available.
Okay, that's good. Everyone will be available. Okay, that's good. We will see you on Monday. Don't miss, guys. Monday locators is very, very important. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Yes.
We'll see you Monday.
Yes.